PS4 Black Edition. Right now we just get our packaging, get the bag open. Here with the scheme in a plastic. This is one of the 3-liter hydro backpacks. This is what some hikers use when they're hiking. Full up the pouch with water, have it on the back like a bag. They can just drink out it while on the move. So let's take a quick look at it and see what's going on here. This is a plain black 3-liter hydro backpack with the little cap here. They full up the water inside of the backpack. So while on your journey, you just drink out of it. Right, close back the cap. Have a little handle here. Has some straps. This is straps, some little clamps here. And maybe you could clamp on onto it, like an extra support. I see like it stitched on onto the strap itself. To have 4 on each side in case you just want to clip anything on it. Look at the next side also have the same thing. You could hang something off it. Have a next hook to the top here. Have the little strap here. I'll stick it inside the pocket. Have a Velcro strap here so you can see the pouch itself. Pouch itself actually here, so if you had to take it out and do anything, or maybe to change it, or it get damaged or it leaking or anything, and you want to see what's going on, you just slacken up the cover, pull it out, and you can get a reach to the pouch itself. Right, and you can reach to the pouch, take the pouch here. What folds up with the water hideaway inside a little compartment under the Velcro. So maybe if you're getting a leak or you need to replace the bag or something, you could go in and check to see exactly what's going on. This is the pouch itself. 3 liters of water it holds. Put it back inside. And you just stick back the Velcro back on top and it's hideaway. Just inside there. Have a normal strap like a bag and want to go around your waist for extra support. Also all the clips. Clip on to make everything easy. Right, so you get a center clip off and also the back protection from the pouch here. It does feel nice and soft. It also have a little extra storage area inside of the pouch here. So like almost the full length of the backpack. You also have an extra storage pouch to be to show certain things in here, maybe some snacks, maybe keys, whatever you feel you need to put inside. It also have extra storage. Right, we just look at some of the quality and the material going on. Watching the stitching here on this backpack. It does have, I've seen some threads and things that looking a little loose here. See on this side, the stitching itself does look a little loose. So I know how durable the backpack will be after a few uses of running and jogging. Otherwise, on the sides look like it's stitched up properly, but the handle areas here, I find really have a little loose stitching looking like. So Hopefully it holds out. Let's look at the 3 liter Hydro backpack. TS4 Black Edition out.